What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we had an unexpected no work day at work, so I decided to come out here and do a little bit of fishing, see if I can get on some bass today. I have decided to set a challenge for myself. I'm going to do the 3 fish challenge, so I'm going to try to limit out at 3 fish, and that's just what we're going to shoot for. I'm going to be throwing top water, lipless, and I think just a square bill as well. I'm going to stick to probably just those 3 baits. I'm not going to throw jerk bait or anything like that. But yeah, let's get into this video and see what we can do. All right, guys, we're going to start off with this top water bait. This is a, let's see, chasing baits, top water. It's kind of cool. So the tail kind of works like a choppo, but the body also swims like a fish. So we're gonna see what we can do with it, see if we can get on something. We weren't able to get anything with it last time, but we're gonna try this time, see what we can do. A little windy out here. It's like 60 something degrees, so oh, one just hit top water out there. All right, guys, we're throwing on this shad. Got some weird colors to it, but it should light up pretty good in the water for these fish to see. It's like a little bait fish. We did catch one on here on this lure last time we were out here, if you guys watched my last video. And right about this area, he comes off. So let's see if we can make it stick this time. You know, I was just thinking, we didn't fish any of this section right here with the top water that we walked past when we came in. So maybe we'll fish this a little bit with this lipless and we'll go back to the top water and see. Maybe I'll change up the top water and get that white colored one that I have, that plopper, and see if we can get it done with that guy. Because I've had luck with him out here before. Fish on, baby. Oh, he fucking came off. Ah, damn it. I wonder if these hooks are just too small. I don't see why that would be, though. Fish on, baby. There we go. Oh shit, almost fell. All right, there we go. We got one fish. Easy, dude. You don't want to calm down. These are the ones you got to be careful with too, because they can get you pretty good. All right, there's the first one. Little guy, nothing big, nothing crazy, but hey, we got one. So, number one. Ooh, man, I was slipping and sliding all over the place, man. Oh, thought I was gonna fall. Well, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. We set out today to do the 3-fish challenge. We were only able to catch 1 fish on a lipless. So, you know, as we get towards the end of the year, the fall season turns into winter and the fishing just gets really tough. So when we're gonna get out here, we're gonna try when we can, but there's no guarantees. I've been thinking about just posting every video I come out here to make, but there's a lot of times where I don't catch anything at all, and it's just nobody's fault. You know, these fish they're not that active right now. So, well, if you guys are new to the channel, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and as always, get out there, rip some lips, and thanks for watching.